mom. Yeah.
It turns off by itself once it goes one lap around.
Yeah.
No, guys. No, what am I put a Christmas tree on it? Somewhere. Right here?
Wait, is it all?
Ready?
It goes by itself.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, no. Take this one off.
Yeah, that would be great. Thanks.
Thanks for all around.
Yep. My mom and Dave. They're gonna be the ones.
Some mystery in here?
Yeah, my mysteries are over there.
Okay.
What about this?
This is.
No, these have some pads. They're really heavy.
Oh,
So,
okay. Let's.
like how we put it down.
Well,
She likes it on the ground.
got it. Oh, you're right. They are heavy, aren't they?
Okay, this is today's Aunt Root.
Okay.
The front one is not. It's cracking. Front one.
The mystery is just two of you.
Okay.
These on the right?
Oh,
These are to my mom and Dave.
there you go.
It move out now.
We shall. We have some presents for Kevin and Kelly.
That's very nice.
And I don't know, but my dad just said from not trim.
From not prim, huh? Sometimes dads are like that. It's okay.
Come here. Why did Daddy say this? Okay, so he
Steve
said
and Kevin.
to Kevin and Kelly from not trim.
Oh, these are mine. I don't have a face yet. Oh, but I'd like a place next to you.
Okay. I don't know where
Yeah, I haven't got to yours yet. Yours are over here in the corner. Okay, go ask Kelly if you can open now.
I just fixed it. I don't know how.
That's amazing. Everybody's gonna be so happy it works now. Oh, these are mine.
Oh,
Dennis just picked the spot for us, so.
Ah.
Done? Now it's working.
What? Yeah, just got this one.
Wow, cool! You really fix it. High five! Good job! Oh God!
Connor? Oh, am I bullshit?
Yeah. See, this broke piece, we need to move all the presents.
Yeah, I'm after fixing it. I don't know how.
All of us fixed it because we